Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and leave your comments. And please help me out a lot by sharing this video out. Y'all, I announced the winner of yesterday's contest this morning at 6 a.m. Y'all, if you didn't see it, please go back and watch the 6 a.m. video. Skip to the end if you want to. You may be a winner and don't even know it. Also, I shocked myself. I don't know what came over me. I am agreeing with Nancy Pelosi. Be sure and see the 6 a.m. video so you can be shocked as well. I have something very important I want to tell y'all, but I'm going to save that to the end. So, if you can't watch this whole video, be sure and skip to the end so you can see that. Okay, will we get a stimulus package today? Yesterday, Nancy Pelosi gave the other side 48 hours to reach an agreement. Do you think this is going to happen? Let me know in the comments below what you think about the deadline. And do you think we will get a stimulus package before Election Day? I want to know what you think about this. Now, she did leave a lot of gray area here because she did not indicate when the 48 hours start. So who knows? George Stephanopoulos asked Nancy Pelosi, would you be willing to pick up the phone and talk to the president? Now remember, Pelosi and Trump has not talked to each other in over a year. But this is what she said. It's not about the president. He sends his representatives, just like every other president. Bush and Obama, they all do it. She said this is how it's done. And it very well could be how it's done. But on the other hand, if two of the highest officials in our country can't have a conversation like adults, neither of them deserves their job. If they can't put their hate for each other on the side long enough to do their job that they are getting paid to do, they both need to go. They all need to get together and talk this out. That's Nancy Pelosi, President Trump, Mark Meadows, Steve Mnuchin, and the Mooch Man. If they can't come up with an agreement, I mean, come on, it's been 5-6 months now, and they hadn't got an agreement yet. So if they can't get an agreement, if they all sit down together and talk it out, then why are we paying them? Why are we giving them our tax money? Why are we giving them our votes? They all need to go. Nancy Pelosi goes on to tell George Stephanopoulos, if you want to talk to him, and she's talking about the president, she said, if you want to talk to him, talk to him yourself. Now, what kind of answer is that coming from the Speaker of the House? Whether it's her or anyone else that holds that office, what kind of answer is that? Man, I miss Tip O'Neill. Now on the 48-hour deadline, we know Steve Mnuchin is out of the country, and some don't think that the 48-hour deadline is fair. But he can work remotely on his computer and on his phone. So where he's at in the world really don't matter. The thing that matters is what is he doing over there and how much time does he have to spend on this. He may be so full of things over there to do, he don't have time. Now that would make it unfair. But on the other hand, if he can't get it done within the 48 hours, then she can sit back and point her crooked finger at him and say it's all his fault. And you know she will do that. I have said many times that none of them really wants a package to pass before election, with one exception. President Trump wants it to pass because he has the most to lose. He will lose the presidency if it is not passed before the election. Guaranteed. Now, one thing that Pelosi is pushing for, and I would agree with her. I would agree with her on this. We need a national plan to fight COVID. We can't rely on each state to fight their own COVID battle. We need a unified plan to attack this virus. So I would give her props on this. She's dead on target with that. Y'all, they keep saying that they're talking, and that's very productive. I hadn't seen anything come out of those talks that is productive yet. They're fighting on the language, and now that Nancy Pelosi has said why they're fighting about the language, I can understand it. I want to talk to you a little bit about fake news. We've heard it many times from Donald Trump. And now I'm kind of understanding the fake news concept. If you notice, on every national network, their news, they're biased to whatever political party they're associated with. You got some news networks that likes Donald Trump. Well, they try to make the other side look bad for ratings. Well, finally, something comes on ABC News with Nancy Pelosi and George Stephanopoulos. She looks bad to me. No matter how you slice it, she looks bad to me. But now that she's done something on ABC, which is, a Democrat station, they hate Donald Trump. I mean, you can tell that from their morning shows that they have on. Their morning talk shows with all those little hen and biddies. You know they hate Donald Trump. The whole network does. So now Nancy Pelosi is on George Stephanopoulos on ABC News. She makes a little bit of sense. They make her look better. And it's done this way on all networks. ABC makes Pelosi look good. The other networks makes Donald Trump look good. Some networks make Joe Biden look good. It all depends on who they're affiliated with. Y'all, I want to talk to you a little bit about my cooking show. That's on my other channel. And if y'all hadn't checked it out, please go check it out. I will put a link at the end of this video to my latest video that's on that channel. But I started out making that video go live at 6 a.m. Well, at 6 a.m., I have a video here on my Stemless Station channel. And I got 2 videos coming out now at 6 a.m. Y'all, I'm going to have a fight with myself to get viewers. So I'm going to change the cooking show to 9 a.m. instead of 6 a.m. Or else Walter's going to be fighting Walter. We can't have that, can we? Y'all, please go check it out. I hope you like that channel, and please subscribe when you're there. Also, check out my cooking website. It's over on that channel. It's not here on this channel. Be sure and check that out. Y'all, please come back tonight and watch my late night with Walter. It's at 10 p.m. We talk about a lot of stuff there. It's not only COVID. It's not only stimulus. Of course, we will talk about that stuff there. That's the main focus, but it's not only the focus. I'm talking about anything and everything there. You ask the questions, I'll answer them. And if you don't ask questions, I'll find something to talk about. Y'all, I love you all. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and watch this video that's popping up here now. It's on my cooking channel, so please go over there and subscribe to that channel. I love you all. Keep faith in God. We will get through this. I know we will. My God is good, and my God is your God. I love you all. Ciao.